In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate on Gumtree. If you no longer want to use your Gumtree account and you're ready to turn it off, this process is quite straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to the Gumtree website. Once the homepage has loaded, give yourself a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that everything is fully visible on your screen. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings and making changes to your profile. Next, look for the menu option and click on it. This is where Gumtree keeps the main navigation options, including the area where you can manage your account. If you're on a mobile device, the menu may appear as a stacked icon in the corner of the screen. On a desktop, it may be more clearly labeled. Either way, open the menu to continue. After that, click on My Details. This section contains the personal account settings tied to your Gumtree profile. It's where you can review and manage important account-related options. Take your time here and make sure you've opened the correct page, since the next action will affect the status of your account. Once you're inside the My Details section, look for the option that says Deactivate My Account and click on it. This is the setting that begins the account deactivation process. In many cases, platforms like Gumtree may present a confirmation screen or an extra prompt before the change is finalized, so read anything on screen carefully before you continue. That helps make sure you're selecting the option you actually want. Before deactivating your account, it's also a good idea to make sure you no longer need access to any active listings, saved messages, or account information associated with that profile. Deactivation can affect your ability to return to those details later, depending on how the platform handles account status, and that's it. Once you've selected the deactivate option and completed any confirmation prompts that appear, your Gumtree account should be deactivated. If you're following these steps while watching, just pause as needed and move through each screen at your own pace. This is a quick process, but taking a moment to double check each option can help prevent mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you deactivate your Gumtree account easily.